You want to start a YouTube channel, but you don't know which niche to choose. So many options, and that makes it even more confusing. You scroll at YouTube and see everyone doing something different. Gaming, fitness, tech, what should you pick? Choosing randomly is the biggest mistake. So let's make this simple. First, understand what a niche actually is. A niche means focusing on one clear topic. Not everything, just one direction. That's how channels grow faster. Step 1. Your interest. What do you enjoy doing every day? Pick something you won't get bored of. Step 2. Your skills. You don't need to be perfect, just better than beginners. Interest plus skill is powerful. Step 3. Demand. Search your idea on YouTube. If people are searching, you're on the right track. Now check your competition. If others are growing, that's a good sign. Learn from them, don't copy. Next, avoid being too broad. Fitness is too wide. Home workout for beginners is better. Go specific. That's where growth starts. Now list at least 20 video ideas. If you can't, your niche is weak. If you can, you're ready. Start creating your first video. Edit it simply and upload. At first, results may be slow. That's completely normal. Keep going. Consistency beats everything. Then you'll see small growth, and your confidence builds. Soon, bigger growth follows. That's when it gets exciting. Right niche equals faster growth. Now you know how to find yours. You can even guide others now, because you understand the process. So choose wisely and start today. And don't forget to subscribe for more. Your YouTube journey starts now. Thank you for watching my video.